You want to have a contract on hand that you can edit to include the rights holder's name, the date, the state you're in, all of those fun things. You can find those on ACX. You can edit it. It's a good foundation. It's good bones for a contract, and you can edit it to fit your needs. I'm not a lawyer or anything like that, but these would be good to have on hand to have a contract in that respect. But they are available on acx.com. Now, there's a lot of great information on ACX, and also ACX has a YouTube channel here on YouTube called ACX University, and I think you can also still find all of those videos on ACX directly. Almost anything that you would want to know about ACX can be found on ACX. It might take a little hunting to find, but you could definitely find it there. As far